Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will look at how to close a data source in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. So this is continuing on from the previous video where we looked at how to read in a CSV file into Tableau Public. So if you have not watched that video yet, I would highly recommend you go and watch that tutorial first. So here we already have the CSV file loaded into Tableau Public. You will also need to, if you haven't already, you will need to open your Tableau Desktop Public Edition before that and then read in the CSV file from the landing page. So I already have the data set loaded here. To close this, I will need to go to the Data Source tab at the bottom left here. And then in the top left corner, click on the Data tab and select from the drop-down list here. In the second section, there is an option here which says Close Data Source. If I click on that, this will actually then close my data source and it will bring me to an empty sheet page. So that is how you can close your data source in Tableau Public Desktop Edition once it has been loaded.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.